We defined our set of complex numbers as the set that contains the numbers of the form a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers and I is the square root of -1. There's another way we can look at this set of numbers. We can look at them as ordered pairs of real numbers. So we can say they are the pairs x, y, where both x and y are real numbers. These two ways of looking at the complex numbers are equivalent, but they have different advantages and disadvantages, both of them. We can use the same operations, of course. So for instance, if we write the complex number 3, 2, we are saying over here the complex number 3 plus 2 multiplying I. So that's the same, it's just a different way of saying it. If we want to sum the complex number 10 minus 3, then that's going to give us, we are going to sum the first coordinates to get 13, and we are going to sum the second coordinates to get -1. So whatever operations we were doing when we were looking at the complex numbers in the first way, we can also do it when we are looking at them in the second way. And we can also, well, we show here the sum, but we can also do, if we wish, the multiplication. Now the question is, why would we do this? And one of the advantages of doing this is that it's very practical if we want to represent the complex numbers on the plane. So let me draw here a set of axes x and y over there. So here we are going to represent the x of the pair, and here we are going to represent the y of the pair. The x of the pair is the x-axis, so it's the real line as we know it. And then we are adding the imaginary part over here. We can think about this as I multiplying r. So for instance, if we are looking at the complex number written as a pair 3, 2, then on the plane we will represent this as the point. Let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So 3 for the x coordinate, 1, 2 for the y coordinate. So we can represent here the complex number 3, 2, or equivalent 3 plus 2i. So it's going to be an advantage for us to be able to see complex numbers as points on the plane.